Good afternoon, friends. Today is the second tranche of announcements towards building a Atmanirbhar Bharat. The slides will go on, but before we start the slides, just want to let you know that today's initiatives, which are getting announced as a part of the second tranche that we are announcing today, focuses on migrant workers, street vendors, small traders, self-employed people, small farmers. And when I say small farmers, there are a few items we say. So in all, about 9 steps that I will be announcing today. 3 relating to migrant workers, 1 related to the Sishu loan within Mudra, 1 related to street vendors, 1 housing, 1 related to employment generation largely for tribals and in those in the tribal pockets, and 2 related to farmers, particularly small farmers. But even as I say this, since you have been keenly listening and hearing what we are saying, many of them may have overlaps with the next package that we'll announce. So on farmers, for example, it's not as if I'm giving only 2 steps, nothing more. Arey kisan ke liye chhod de kaam. No, there will be more. But today I'm bringing in 2. Just as I said in each of the package, we'll keep in mind and prioritize concerns related to migrant workers, poor, those who are, in need, and therefore that will continue. So if I have not spoken about a certain thing today, it's not as if Government of India has forgotten. After all, let's please remember, within hours of having announced the lockdown, the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana was for the poor, was for transferring cash to the poor, was for giving grains for the poor, and so on. And that's not enough. We will come with more. We are announcing more. So let's not look at each one of the silo as though that was the only thing. As I said earlier, there are tranches of announcements. Many things might overlap. Many of them might get mentioned here as well as mentioned once more somewhere else. So just a broad understanding on that. And before I get to talking about what we are doing on the migrants, I just want to let you know that about 3 crore farmers had availed loans which were given to them earlier in concessional rates, I think, which was direct support to farmers. And those 3 crore farmers had availed of agricultural loans which were over 4 lakh crores. 3 crore farmers who are marginal farmers had already benefited from 4 lakh crores of credit given to them. And those people who have availed of these credit through the Reserve Bank were also given a moratorium. For the next 3 months you don't have to pay your EMI and so on. Now, the interest subvention, which is normally given for prompt repayment in time, was extended till March. Now we are extending it up to 31st May 2020. So that is a thing which was already availed of, and for that we are giving a bit of an extension. And in the last 2 months, 25 lakh new Kisan credit cards have been given, which entails that they can take concessional credit. They're actually marginal farmers. So we've not forgotten them. And those 25 lakh new Kisan credit card holders have also been given or sanctioned a loan which totals to 25,000 crores. These are recent happenings. So there may have been a lockdown, but the government was not sitting quiet. It has been attending to a lot of those who are in the margins of our society, who are desperately in need of assistance to carry on with their small work. So that is something which I want to draw your attention to before we move on to today's package.
धन्यवाद। मैं सबसे पहले तो मीडिया के अपने मित्रों का आभार प्रकट करता हूं, जिन्होंने आत्मनिर्भर भारत इस संकल्प को, इस अभियान को जन जन तक पहुंचाने का काम किया है। पिछले 2 दिनों में पूरे देश भर में आपने चर्चा को बदला है, एक सकारात्मक सोच खड़ी हुई है। इसके लिए मैं आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूं। अगर 2014 में भी देखें तो मोदी जी ने अपने सबसे पहले भाषण में यही कहा था कि ये उनकी सरकार वो जो गरीबों के लिए सोचे, जो गरीबों को सुने, गरीबों के लिए जिए, और इसलिए नई सरकार देश के गरीबों को समर्पित है, युवाओं को, महिलाओं को समर्पित है। गांव हो, गरीब हो, पीड़ित हो, वंचित हो, ये सरकार उनके लिए है। हमें गरीब से गरीब आदमी की मदद करनी है। और पिछले 6 वर्षों में आपने देखा होगा, इस देश में गरीबों के उत्थान के लिए मोदी सरकार ने बहुत काम किया। मैं उन योजनाओं पे आज नहीं जा रहा, लेकिन किसान की बात कर रहे हैं। पीएम किसान सम्मान की बात हो, 6,000 हर किसान के खाते में, प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना हो, किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड की बात हो, सॉइल हेल्थ कार्ड की बात हो। जो गरीब कभी अपनी इंश्योरेंस के बारे में नहीं सोचता था, 22 करोड़ से ज्यादा गरीबों की इंश्योरेंस करवाने की बात हो। गरीब का बैंक खाता बैंकों के राष्ट्रीयकरण करने के बाद भी नहीं खुलता था, उन बैंकों का उनका बैंक खाता भी खुला। और इस कोविड-19 की स्थिति में अगर सीधा खाते में पैसा किसी ने भेजा है तो नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार ने पारदर्शिता के कारण भेजा। तो गरीब की हर समय चिंता किसी ने की तो नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार ने। और कल भी जो आपकी चिंता का विषय था, और हम सब भी देखते हैं कि जो गरीब वापस भी जा रहा है उसकी मदद कैसे की जाए, तो आज हम आप सबके सामने आए हैं। कल एमएसएमई सेक्टर की मदद की तो 12 करोड़ लोगों को ये मध्यम लघु सूक्ष्म उद्योग रोजगार देते हैं। अगर उनकी मदद हुई तो अप्रत्यक्ष तौर पर गरीब मजदूर की मदद भी कल की गई। और कहीं ना कहीं जो इतना सकारात्मक वातावरण बना, लोगों के पॉजिटिव मैसेज आए कि ये अच्छा हुआ, इससे उद्योग को फायदा मिलेगा, छोटे उद्योगों को फायदा मिलेगा, तो इससे गरीब को भी बल मिलेगा। तो आज का जो हम करने जा रहे हैं, गरीब के लिए, प्रवासी मजदूर के लिए और 1-2 बिंदु किसानों के लिए, आज बाकी अगले प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आप सबके सामने आएगा। तो इसमें मुझे केवल इतना ही कहना है, और मोदी जी ने इसको 12 तारीख को भी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा था कि आर्थिक पैकेज देश के उस श्रमिक के लिए, देश के उस किसान के लिए है जो हर स्थिति में, हर मौसम में देशवासियों के लिए दिन रात एक करके मेहनत करता है। और इसमें अगर देखा जाए तो जो पहली घोषणा है, जो हमने अब तक कदम उठाए, वो लगभग 3 करोड़ किसानों के लिए जो कृषि ऋण है वो 4,22,000 करोड़ के वो अवेल कर चुके हैं। पिछले 3 महीनों में उसके लिए लोन मोरेटोरियम दिया गया है, ताकि उनको उसमें छूट दी गई है कि 3 महीने तक उनको वापस नहीं करना है। इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन दी है, ब्याज पर सहायता दी है, त्वरित भुगतान यानी कि प्रॉम्प्ट रीपेमेंट करने पर इनको इंसेंटिव दिया है, क्रॉप लोन्स पर। और ये भी जो 1 मार्च से उनकी ड्यू थी उसको बढ़ाकर 31 मई तक कर दिया है। 25 लाख नए किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड की मंजूरी दी है, जिस पर जो ऋण की लिमिट होगी वो 25,000 करोड़ होगी।
Again, one more thing which I'd like to draw your attention before I go to today's announcements. Liquidity support for farmers and for the rural economy has been happening in the last 2 months. I'm referring only to those things which have happened in March, April, which is the COVID duration, the time when COVID hit us. and hit us so badly, resulting in a lockdown. But even then, activities through the banks have been happening. I want to just draw your attention that 63 lakh loans of 86,600 crores have been approved in agriculture area between 1st March and 30th of April. Again, refinancing of nearly 29,500 crores has been provided by the NABARD to all the cooperative banks and the regional rural banks so that they can have onward lending done. And this has happened just in March. Just only in March, NABARD has refinanced 29,500 crores through the rural cooperative banks and the regional rural banks. Then again, you know, rural infrastructure, also through a fund which is operated by the NABARD, is the RIDF, which is the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. Through this, only again in March 2020, a support of 4,200 crores has been provided for rural infrastructure. So rural areas and their infrastructure work is also being provided for in March alone to the extent of 4,200 crores, and that's happened during the COVID period. And finally, state governments do also get working capital assistance, and to the extent of 6,700 crores have been sanctioned for them to procure agricultural produce, which means they can take things from the farmer, they can provide things to the farmer, and when they procure agricultural produce, that money goes into the hands of the farmers themselves. And what is the amount there? 6,700 crore as working capital was sanctioned for state agencies to do the agricultural produce procurement. That again is money going into the hands of the people in the ground, particularly in the rural areas. I'll go over to the urban poor, but before that in Hindi.
कृषि के क्षेत्र में, क्योंकि आपको पता है पिछला सीजन भी 2 महीने देश के लिए भी और देश के कृषि की अर्थव्यवस्था के लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण था, तो उसके लिए पिछले मार्च और अप्रैल महीने में 63 लाख ऋण मंजूर किए गए, जिसकी लगभग जो